Day grade 9. So today we'll be discussing how to solve equations na transformable into quadratic equation. So tandaan, ang goal natin is to simplify the equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let's start with this example. Let's say you have quantity x minus 2 times quantity x plus 3 is equal to 14. So obviously, there is a product of two binomials na kailangan nating i-simplify para ma-achieve natin itong form na ito. So, what will we do is we'll use the FOIL method. So, kung naalala po, ang FOIL method is first, outer, inner, and last. So, first, you'll multiply x times x, and that will be x squared. Outer, you'll multiply x times positive 3, and that is positive 3x. Inner, you'll multiply negative 2 times x, and that is negative 2x. Last, you'll multiply negative 2 times positive 3, and that is negative 6. Equate lang natin dun sa 14. So, in this case, meron na tayong malinaw na quadratic term. Ang problem na lang natin is yung ating linear and constant term. So, we'll just combine like terms. And lipat na rin natin itong positive 14 sa kabila. So, we will have x squared. Combining like terms, we will have 3x and negative 2x. That's positive x. Negative 6, copy lang. Then, lipat natin si 14 magiging negative 14 is equal to 0. So, in this case, ang problema na lang natin ay ang ating constant term. So, negative 6 and negative 14, that will be negative 20. So, we will have x squared plus x. Negative 6 and negative 14, that's negative 20 is equal to 0. Pag nandiyan na po tayo sa form ng ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, pwede na po tayong magamit ng anumang method ng solving quadratic equation na applicable para sa ating equation. So, since our equation naman is factorable, I'll be using the factoring method. So, this is negative. So, based on our keyword, that's negative minus and like sign. So, number na pag pinag-times ko 20, pag pinag-minus ko ay 1. So, that is, ang factors ng 20 ay meron tayong 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. So, 20 minus 1, 19. Hindi pwede. 10 minus 2, that is 8. So, hindi pwede. 5 minus 4 is 1. So, we'll be using x. Then, this is 5. Then, x. And this is 4. Since positive si middle term, positive yung higher absolute value, then negative ito. Kasi unlike sign. So, from here, use the zero product property. We'll have x sub 1 plus 5 is equal to 0 and x sub 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Transpose lang natin or lipat lang natin sa kabilang side ng equation and we'll have x sub 1 equals negative 5 and x sub 2 is equal to positive 4. Wait lang, ayusin lang natin. Okay. So, our final answer is negative 5 and positive 4.